In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Age of Empires 2 on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, by default, Age of Empires 2 is not available natively on a Mac. So if you visit the Steam store page for the game, it is only available for Windows. So in order to get this game to work on a Mac, you will need to use a specific software. So you can choose between crossover or parallels. While others might exist, these two are going to be my recommendation for you. As you can see, both of them will give you a free trial. However, they are paid software, so you will need to buy a license in order to use them. But they are going to act as compatibility layers. In short, they will get games and other tools that only work on Windows, and they will translate them so they work on your Mac, including Age of Empires 2. So all that you have to do is visit their website. You can start out a free trial, and after you have them downloaded, just run the tool. It is very intuitive to use. With crossover specifically, what you will have to do is look for Steam. So first you will create a new bottle. Bottles are going to be the environments, and you will create a Windows bottle. So essentially, as if you were running Windows. Then inside of this Windows bottle, you click the option to install Steam. And once Steam is downloaded, you will just use it as normal. So you open Steam, go to your library, find Age of Empires 2, and you run it through Steam on the bottle that Crossover created. There might exist alternatives that are free, for example, Wineskin or Porting Kit, but they can be more complicated to set up and maintain compared to something like Crossover, and the performance stability may vary. So, in short, choose a compatibility layer tool, relaunch it, download Steam, purchase Age of Empires 2, and use the compatibility layer to play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.